Good morning, everyone. We are back into the city of perfection. This is Tokyo, dream of my life. So I would like to share you a small part of it. I start another walk, another day, another walk. Because Tokyo is amazing, gives you the best vibes what you ever can feel in any other country or city. Here everything is different and beautiful, especially the people. So I show you this area where I am at the moment. From here we're going to walk a little bit. Look at these buildings. You guys can see this beautiful dragon or whatever it is. Best ever. That's all I can say. As I mentioned before, this is the city of perfection. This building is amazing. I don't know how you will see it on the video, but it's absolutely amazing. This is me. Nice bicycles. Nobody take them. So don't worry, guys. In Tokyo you are in safe. 100%. So I'm walking a little bit more. I try to show you as much as possible. Look at this bridge over the main road. It's another road. Look at the perfection, the engineering, everything, the roads, the streets. On the street everything is so perfect organized and well calculated. As far as I see, there are no potholes in Tokyo, and probably all Japan is like that. So you don't have to worry about the road conditions. They are on the high quality. Probably in Japan you will find the best engineers in the world. This is my opinion. I've been in a couple of countries, but perfection as Japan, as in Japan you can find it. You don't find it in other places. Probably there are some countries as well, but I consider Japan on the top quality, top respect, and top educated country in the world. So I try to walk more. So we're waiting for the green light. Perfect everything. There's a nice park here probably. I see many people walking. Yeah, this is the Toyosu Park. The entrance of the Toyosu Park. So you can see the Toyosu, which is the name of the park. Beautiful. Everything you see in Japan is beautiful. So this is another short video what I showed you. A lot of trees in the city, so you will find a lot of green, nice trees, flowers everywhere. You can feel the smell of the nature, you know, when you have a lot of green inside the city. I try to show you this bridge. It basically is not a bridge, I think it's for train or something, but it looks amazing. I don't know, you guys, if you can see it. Yeah, it's for train or metro. I can see it in the end of the line. It's so beautiful. Okay guys, I will record another video later on. So if you like Tokyo, if you like my video, small introductions, then push the like button please, share, subscribe, and write me a nice comment, good one, bad one, doesn't matter. It will help you a lot. Thank you for watching the video, enjoying it, and have a good day. See you in the next one.